Hi, today I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of this Sonicare toothbrush made by Phillips. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a good electric toothbrush. So first I got my Sonicare toothbrush about 10 years ago for Christmas, but those were rechargeable that you would put on a special stand and the batteries would charge. But those are kind of expensive. They cost more than $100. They have a bunch of different features, but really what I found out is that the rechargeable batteries last about 5 years, and after that this whole thing goes to garbage. So this is the best solution to having the same quality of Phillips Sonicare but with a really cheap price. This toothbrush cost me not even $15, and the best part of it that it's electric. The only reason I had to replace it right now is that there was something wrong starting to drain the battery, so they lasted only about 2-3 days. Normally the batteries last about 2 to 3 months. I use rechargeable Sanyo analog batteries and they last about 2 to 3 months. You put 2 of them on both sides of your toothbrush and you have a little seal that makes it watertight. And this is the bottom of it. The brush comes complete, and then you can buy replacement brush on Amazon or any other place. Really a lot of those fit perfectly on this head, and it works like a regular Sonicare. Has nice vibration, you can nicely hold it in your hand, and it's the best brush I've ever had. You can see it in action just like they show it on TV. You can buy replacement heads on Amazon or Walmart or any other place. The pack of like 5 or 6, I think I pay around $10. So in my opinion, this is the best toothbrush I've ever had. And if you think about buying Sonicare, why spend $100? This is $15 and it works great. You can take it anywhere. Even if you go on vacation, you don't need to go carry any chargers. Those batteries will last 2 or 3 months. Or you can just buy the additional batteries wherever you are. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.